happiness is present, you have everything. These are some wise words by philosopher Epicurus. They remind you that you need to be in the present in order for you to experience happiness, regardless of whether you think it's there or not. If it is, and you're too busy looking for it in another shape or form, you will miss it. And even when you think it's not there, it always is. That's why it's even more important for you to bring yourself to the present moment and find contentment in it. This is only possible if you learn to slow down and to simply be. We live increasingly frantic lives that just keep adding to our stresses and making us more and more blind to contentment. That's why you need to consciously stop the rushing and simply just be. Because if you don't, you're going to wake up one day and wonder where your life went. Remember that you are a human being, not a human doing. The answer really is in that word, being. So naturally, I want you to start this practice of simply being today. I want you to pick one moment today to just be. Put it in your calendar if you need to, or let it come to you naturally. Just make sure you do make it happen. Pick one moment to simply be. Not to observe, not to meditate, not to read, not even to sip your tea, coffee, or juice. Simply just be. Do this for as long as you want, but at least for 1 minute. Now, if you feel agitated, impatient, or annoyed, let those feelings come and go. And then continue to just be. Sit on your sofa, lie on the grass, stand in the sunshine. Doesn't matter where or how you do it, as long as you are just being. Be in the moment without an agenda, without something to do, without something to think about. Because if you don't learn to simply be, happiness can't catch up with you. So today, stop your frantic rushing around and stop getting dizzy from all the doing. Simply just be and enjoy the moment.